Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com, where we make self-growing planters that grows your food for you. And I just wanted to show you how much food we actually grow. We took seeds and dropped it in all these planters. 50 seeds in my Torpedopot, self-growing planter. And what we do is that we let them grow. And they grew so much so that we have about 15,000 pods that we have to pick. The funny thing about it is that all of this growth that you're seeing is coming from a household spigot. See, these are Torpedopots. These are self-growing planters, and what they do is that they grow your food for you with no human intervention. They grow your food for you with no human intervention. You get yourself a Torpedopot. Every year, a family of four, it's a standard average family, spend about $24,000 a year on food. Take that money, invest it in Torpedopots that will feed you for the rest of your life. Now that's what I'm talking about. The planters behind me, that's been running for 5 years now. All I do is replace the feeding stick. In theory, your system should work. Get yourself a Torpedopot. Grow your food the way it was supposed to be grown so you can have the nutrition the way that your body has traditionally received nutrition. I'm going to create a wall of food here. And let me see if we can build it so high that I can disappear. Hey, I'm almost there. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. I got to pick the rest of this food. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.